Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into the realms of Chinese astrology and the enigmatic presence of Tai Sui in the year of the Wood Dragon. I'm Timotheus and I'm excited to unravel the cosmic dance of destiny with you. In the intricate tapestry of Chinese tradition, one celestial being takes center stage, Tai Sui, the Grand Duke Jupiter. Tai Sui weaves his influence through the zodiac signs, shaping our fortunes and guiding our paths. Join me as we explore Tai Sui's enigmatic presence, unravel its impact on our lives, and discover ways to harmonize with its energy. So who exactly is Tai Sui? Tai Sui refers to the stars that oppose Jupiter in its 12-year orbit. These stars are personified as deities or generals who govern the fortunes of each year. There are 60 Tai Sui in total, each with a unique name, direction, and zodiac sign. The Tai Sui of 2024 is General Li Chen, located in the southeast direction. He governs the zodiac signs of Ox, Rabbit, Dragon, and Dog. If you belong to these signs, pay close attention to your health, wealth, career, and relationship, as these may be influenced. Tai Sui casts its gaze upon 4 zodiac signs in 2024, creating a celestial tango of energies. If you're born, as I said earlier, if you're born in the years of Dragon, Ox, Rabbit, or Dog, you're in the spotlight. Let's delve into how each sign dances with Tai Sui. For dragons, it's a year of torturing Tai Sui, bringing financial risks, disputes, and interference. Intensified clashes during your birth year may affect your overall fortune. Ox individuals navigating challenges in the dragon year may face conflicts and hurdles in both career and relationships. Resilience is key. Rabbits face a clash with Tai Sui. Caution is advised as energy clashes may pose challenges throughout the year. Dogs are confronting Tai Sui head-on, requiring vigilance to mitigate challenges. Direct confrontation means being prepared for the unexpected. Tai Sui's influence manifests in diverse ways. Legal entanglements, family disputes, unfavorable financial outcomes, health issues, and unexpected events such as natural disasters or fatalities. To navigate Tai Sui's currents, here are some tips. Avoid major renovations in the southeast direction, and don't sleep or work with your head facing Tai Sui. Instead, position yourself towards the year breaker for better alignment. To appease Tai Sui, consider prayers and offerings, wearing a red string bracelet, or carry a Tai Sui amulet for protection. Respect feng shui principles by aligning your home or office layout properly, and embrace balance to seek harmony with Tai Sui's cosmic role. As the wood dragon unfurls its wings, let us honor Tai Sui's presence. We navigate the delicate line between cosmic forces and earthly existence. May our hearts resonate with wisdom, and may Tai Sui guide us towards auspicious shores. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wishing you a harmonious and prosperous year of the Wood Dragon. I wish you good health, wealth, and love.